keep our bodies hydrated on the inside, but what about on the outside? Our skin takes such a beating from the colder temperatures, but no worries, because Andrea Donsky is back and she's got many solutions for us. This time of year, we are washing our hands constantly,
all the time.
and then you get the dryness. So what do we do about that?
So our hands, and I love that you said that, because we're going to start with our hands first.
Good.
So what I like to do is make a homemade sugar scrub.
Oh, nice.
And I keep it at the sink, and every time I wash my hands, I apply it. So I thought we would make it together because it's so easy to do. So you take some raw sugar.
You want all of it?
All of it in.
Okay.
You can see raw sugar has coarse particles, so they're great for exfoliating.
Yes.
Then you take some white sugar.
Nice.
White sugar has glycolic acid that helps to lock in that moisture.
It's diet friendly. We're not eating it.
Yeah, we're not eating it, exactly. Then you want to add in some oil. So this is an almond oil. You can use olive oil.
Oh, this
and then
is
I
good.
like coconut oil.
Nice.
Coconut oil has lauric acid that's antifungal. So basically it'll help to kill any bacteria in your hands. So you just mix it all together.
Yeah.
You can add in a scent if you want. Lavender is awesome because it has antiseptic properties. Or you can put in vanilla, but then you may want to eat it. So exactly. So then I think we're going to stick to that. So then what you do is you put your hands in. You literally exfoliate your hands, throw it into some water, and you don't want to put any soap because you want the oils to stay on your skin.
Okay.
And it keeps it.
That's not good. I'm one of those people, like I put a scrub in my shower all the time. Like I'm constantly exfoliating and then constantly moisturizing.
How does that feel?
Feels amazing.
Isn't that amazing? So it's
good.
so soft. And what's great is it's inexpensive to make, and you can put a bow on it and give it as a gift.
What a nice gift. Good teacher's gift, host gift.
Okay.
Okay, aloe.
So now it's our lips.
Yes.
I don't know about you, but I find even if I use so much lip balm, my lips are still they're still chapped. And then I picket it, which makes it worse, right? So you can make a lip mask.
Ooh, nice.
So what you do is you take some aloe vera, some cane sugar again, and then some pumpkin. So what's great about the aloe vera is it has over 75 active ingredients that help to soothe and moisturize your lips.
Okay.
The cane sugar, again, will exfoliate, and pumpkins have vitamins A and C, which will help to soothe your lips so they become more kissable.
So you mix it all together and just throw it on there?
You throw it on there, you exfoliate, leave it for about 5 minutes, and then wash it off. And if you have any left, put some in a jar and put it in the fridge for up to 10 days.
Oh, that's excellent.
Right? So you
do it with the toothbrush?
No, I would just do it with
my
my
fingers. Just do it with your fingers?
Yeah,
okay.
with my fingers.
Because I love doing that with the toothbrush. Okay, what are these for?
So if you spend a lot of time outdoors, your face may get red and irritated, right? So what you can do is you can make a face mask that has oatmeal that helps to soothe the redness and the irritation.
Oh, nice.
So what you do is you put in about a half a cup of oatmeal.
Yeah.
You put in some cucumber, so this is about 2 inches thick.
Yeah.
Put it all into a blender, and then some honey.
Yeah.
Mix it all together until you get a nice consistency, pretty thick. You put it on your face, leave it there for about 15 or 20 minutes, and then wash it off or rinse it off, and your skin will be nice and soft. The honey will make it really soft. The oatmeal soothes it, right?
Ooh,
which is so nice. And the cucumber is hydrating because it's full of water.
That's right. Okay, this one looks like another sugar scrub.
Right, so this is our body. We don't want to forget about our body. So do you know what percentage we absorb in our skin from what we put on our skin?
I don't know, maybe 50%?
Very close. So we absorb 60% of what we put on our body absorbs into our skin, into our bloodstream. So you want to be mindful of what you're using. So again, when it comes to our body, sugar scrubs are great that we made at the front. You just want to keep it in your bathroom or in your shower.
Yes.
You apply it before you come out, rinse it off, and you're good to go.
That's right. Some people say if you use that, you don't even need to use lotion, but I always need to use lotion.
Lotion is a must.
Oh my gosh.
Coconut oil is another thing you can use straight up. My sister-in-law swears by putting coconut oil on her body.
Yeah, I get
Loves it. She puts it in her hair for moisturizing.
It's good.
Right? And that's it. It's just coconut oil.
What about the pomegranates?
So you can actually make a scrub with pomegranates as well. So you can put it into the coconuts. It has the exfoliating. The seeds can exfoliate. So it's another option.
So good for your body. Okay, what about here?
Okay, so this is my new favorite oil. It's called black seed oil. Have you ever heard of it?
I've heard of it. I've never tried it.
Okay, so I want you to smell it. So black seed oil is an anti-inflammatory oil that has an active ingredient called thymoquinone.
It smells medicinal.
It does, right?
Yeah.
So you could take it internally to reduce the inflammation. You can also apply it topically. So if you have problem areas that you want to target, like your elbows, your knees, your feet, you can mix a tablespoon into some coconut oil and apply it directly. It's even great for skin conditions like psoriasis and eczema.
Really?
Yeah, it's awesome.
Write that down, everybody. Thank you, Andrea.